case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In Employers Assen vs. United Steelworkers of America, a 1992 case heard by the United States District Court for the District of Minnesota, the Employers Association challenged a state law that prohibited employers from hiring permanent replacement workers during a strike or lockout. The plaintiff argued that the law was unconstitutional because it conflicted with federal labor law. The United Steelworkers of America, the defendant in the case, claimed that there was no justiciable controversy. However, the court found the case presented a valid legal dispute and ruled that the striker replacement law was unconstitutional under machinists and Garmin preemption doctrines, which established that federal labor law supersedes state law in cases of conflict. The state of Minnesota intervened in the case to defend the constitutionality of the law. The court granted the plaintiff's motion for summary judgment and declared Minnesota's striker replacement law unconstitutional due to its conflict with federal labor law. The defendant's motion to dismiss the case for lack of subject matter jurisdiction was denied.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.